Cirrus Vision Jet. The Cirrus Vision Jet, also known as the Vision SF-50, has a starting price of approximately $2.85 million for a new model. Pre-owned models are available for around $2 million. The Cirrus Vision Jet, a revolutionary single-engine private jet that redefines personal aviation. Known as the Vision SF-50, this aircraft combines advanced technology with luxurious comfort. With a top speed of 311 knots and a range of 1,275 nautical miles, the Vision Jet offers impressive performance and efficiency. Its spacious cabin, panoramic windows, and modern amenities, including GoGo in-flight Wi-Fi, create a premium travel experience. The Cirrus Vision Jet is perfect for those seeking the ultimate in private air travel. Pivotal Black. Introducing the Pivotal BlackFly, a groundbreaking electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed by Canadian engineer Marcus Lang and produced by Pivotal. This innovative personal air vehicle features a fixed-wing design and all-electric propulsion, offering a unique flying experience. With its intuitive controls, vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, and zero emissions, the BlackFly is perfect for short-hop travel and recreational use. Pivotal's commitment to safety and ease of use makes the BlackFly a pioneer in the world of personal aviation. The Pivotal BlackFly is priced at $190,000 for the base model. FlyNow eCopter. The FlyNow eCopter, a pioneering electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed by FlyNow Aviation. This innovative air taxi features a coaxial electric drivetrain with two counter-rotating rotor propellers, providing enhanced stability and efficiency. The eCopter is designed for urban air mobility, capable of carrying passengers and cargo along predefined aerial routes. With its compact size and autopilot system, the FlyNow eCopter offers a practical and sustainable solution for reducing urban congestion and pollution. Jetoptera Wing. The Jetoptera Wing, a revolutionary concept in vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft designed by Jetoptera. This innovative aircraft features a unique fluidic propulsion system (FPS), which uses bladeless fans to generate thrust, making it safer and quieter than traditional propeller-based systems. The Jetoptera Wing is designed for high efficiency, with the potential to achieve speeds up to Mach 0.8. Its compact, box wing configuration enhances maneuverability and safety, making it an exciting development in urban air mobility and personal transportation. Ember Pulse Concept. The Ember Pulse Concept, a groundbreaking vision for the future of urban mobility. This innovative concept combines an electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft with a self-driving car. The Pulse features a stylish, glassed-over cabin that seamlessly transitions between air and ground travel. Designed to address the challenges of urban congestion, the Pulse offers a multi-mode transport solution, providing efficient and sustainable travel from door to door. This futuristic concept represents Embraer's commitment to redefining transportation for the next 50 years. X-Plane. The price of X-Plane 12 is $79 for the digital download edition on platforms like Steam. There's also a DVD set available for $99. X-Plane, the world's most advanced flight simulator, designed by pilots for everyone. Since its first release in 1995, X-Plane has been praised for its realistic physics, accurate aircraft systems, and immersive experience. Whether you're a pilot, a gamer, or an aviation enthusiast, X-Plane offers a detailed and authentic flight simulation experience. With its comprehensive world and atmosphere, you can explore realistic weather, water, and 3D forests, making every flight session an adventure. Archaeopteryx. Introducing the Archaeopteryx, a fascinating creature often referred to as the dino bird. This iconic species, which lived during the late Jurassic period around 150 million years ago, is celebrated as a key transitional fossil, showcasing both dinosaur and bird-like features. With its feathered wings, bird-like beak, and wishbone, the Archaeopteryx provides crucial insights into the evolution of birds from theropod dinosaurs. Its well-preserved fossils continue to captivate scientists and enthusiasts alike, offering a unique glimpse into our planet's prehistoric past. The price of the Archaeopteryx Glider varies depending on the model and configuration. The standard version starts at around $58,500, while the Electro version, which includes an electric motor system, is priced at approximately $82,000. These prices are subject to change and may not include additional costs for storage and transport components. The Icon A5, a revolutionary amphibious light sport aircraft designed to bring the thrill of flying to life. This versatile plane can take off and land on both water and land, making it perfect for adventure seekers. With its intuitive controls, spacious cabin, and panoramic canopy, the Icon A5 offers an immersive flying experience. Its sleek design and low operating costs make it accessible for pilots of all skill levels, turning every flight into an exhilarating journey. The price of the Icon A5 varies depending on the configuration and options chosen. The base model starts at around $229,000 for a pre-owned version, while a new model can range from $269,000 to $389,000 for the fully equipped version. This amphibious light sport aircraft offers a unique flying experience, combining versatility, safety, and luxury. Heaviside eVTO. Introducing the Heaviside eVTO, a revolutionary electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed by Kitty Hawk. This innovative aircraft features 8 electric propellers and a reverse sweep wing, enabling it to achieve vertical lift with vectored thrust. With a maximum speed of 290 km per hour and the ability to fly using less than half the energy of a conventional electric car per mile, the Heaviside eVTO is a game-changer in urban air mobility. Its sleek design and advanced technology make it a promising solution for future transportation needs. Kitty Hawk Flyer. Introducing the Kitty Hawk Flyer, an innovative single-seat, all-electric flying machine designed to make the dream of personal flight a reality. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour and the ability to fly at altitudes of around 10 feet, this futuristic aircraft offers an exhilarating experience like no other. Priced at $150,000, the Flyer is a glimpse into the future of personal air transportation, combining cutting-edge technology with ease of use, making it accessible for everyone to enjoy the thrill of flying. SubSonex. The SubSonex is an experimental, single-seat, amateur-built jet aircraft from SubSonex Aircraft's Hornet's Nest development division. Designed by John Monnet, it features a sleek, aerodynamic design and is powered by a Czech-built PBS TJ100 turbojet engine. The SubSonex offers a unique flying experience with a top speed of around 200 miles per hour and a range of approximately 300 miles. It's available as a quick build kit for $50,000, making it an exciting option for aviation enthusiasts looking to own a personal jet. Cri-Cri MC-15. The price of a completed Cri-Cri MC-15 can vary depending on the condition and any modifications. On average, you can expect to pay around $32,700 for a used model. If you're interested in building one from scratch, the plan set is available for approximately $3.90. The Cri-Cri MC-15, a remarkable home-built aircraft designed by French aeronautical engineer Michel Colombin. Known as the world's smallest twin-engine aircraft, the MC-15 Cri-Cri features a lightweight, aerodynamic design with a wingspan of 4 meters and a length of 3.91 meters. Powered by two 15-horsepower JPX-PUL-212 engines, it boasts a top speed of 220 km per hour and a range of 400 kilometers. This compact and efficient aircraft is perfect for aviation enthusiasts looking to build and fly their own unique plane. Jalis University Tusi. The Jalis University Tusi, a pioneering project from Istanbul Gelisim University's Mechatronics Department. Named after the renowned 13th-century scientist Nazarudin Tusi, this innovative vehicle is designed as a hybrid between a car and a drone, capable of both driving on roads and flying in the air. The Tusi is an all-electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft aimed at revolutionizing urban air mobility. With its advanced technology and sleek design, the Tusi represents a significant step towards the future of transportation. Lazzarini Linux. Introducing the Lazzarini Linux, a revolutionary modular vehicle designed by Italian designer Pier Paolo Lazzarini. Inspired by the open-source software, the Linux concept is a multifunctional vehicle that can travel on water, land, snow, and even take to the skies. Its modular design allows for customization and adaptation to specific mobility needs, making it a versatile and sustainable solution for future transportation. The Linux is set to be an open-source project, inviting collaboration from designers and engineers to further develop and enhance its capabilities. Lazzarini IFO. Introducing the Lazzarini IFO, a visionary concept from Lazzarini Design Studio in Rome, Italy. This innovative electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft is designed to revolutionize urban air mobility. With its sleek, futuristic design and advanced technology, the IFO offers a unique flying experience, combining efficiency and sustainability. This concept represents a bold step towards the future of personal transportation, making the dream of flying accessible to everyone. ViperJet. The ViperJet, a high-performance home-built jet aircraft designed by Viper Aircraft Corporation. This sleek, two-seat jet features a low-wing monoplane design with swept wings and a bubble canopy. Powered by a Turbomeca Marber II engine, the ViperJet boasts a top speed of 380 knots and is perfect for sport and aerobatic flying. Its composite construction and retractable tricycle undercarriage make it both durable and agile, offering an exhilarating flying experience for aviation enthusiasts. The price of a ViperJet can vary depending on the model and condition. For a new ViperJet MKII, prices typically start around $3,580 to $3,680 for the kit. Building and finishing the aircraft yourself can also affect the overall cost. Hover Drone Taxi. The Hover Drone Taxi, a revolutionary concept in urban air mobility designed by HoverSurf. This innovative flying vehicle can transport passengers and cargo, offering a futuristic solution to urban congestion. With a size comparable to a standard sedan, the Hover Drone Taxi can reach altitudes of up to 150 meters and cover distances of up to 100 kilometers on a single charge. Its ability to land on ordinary parking lots and bypass traffic makes it a game-changer for city transportation. Piasecki Ares Tilt Duck VTOL. The Piasecki Ares Tilt Duck VTOL, a cutting-edge vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft designed for multi-mission versatility. Developed by Piasecki Aircraft Corporation, the Ares features a unique tilt wing configuration with twin duct fans, allowing seamless transitions between hover and forward flight. This modular system can be equipped with various mission payload modules, making it suitable for combat, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, and logistics support. The Ares Tilt Duck VTOL represents a significant advancement in VTOL technology, offering enhanced flexibility and efficiency for military and civilian applications. Tecnam P92 MKII. The Tecnam P92 MKII, a classic single-engine aircraft that combines timeless design with modern technology. Known for its high-wing, two-seater configuration, the P92 MKII offers a cruising speed of 115 knots, 213 kilometers per hour, and a maximum range of 700 nautical miles, 1,296 kilometers. Equipped with a 100-horsepower engine and advanced glass avionics, this aircraft provides a smooth and enjoyable flying experience. Its composite fuselage and spacious cabin make it both stylish and comfortable, perfect for pilots who appreciate both performance and aesthetics.